Boom, baby, what up? Hey, this is Morad Fiki. We just sold my good friend and client Fahim's condo over there in the medical center, and I want to congratulate you. That was so awesome. Just want to say thank you. You know, it means a lot that you trusted me to handle this delicate transaction for you, and we got it done.
Did it? Yep.
So, just want to ask you about your experience. How was your experience with me as your agent, and how did you feel that I handled this transaction for you? And you can be very honest.
Thank you, Morad. Well, first and foremost, I want to thank you for all of your diligent work. You've been very supportive. We've had a lot of interest throughout the time with the condo, and one of the things that I appreciated the most that you had kept up the conversations and the communications very open. You've given me a lot of great advice throughout. You've helped me out to come to this decision and obviously to the closing table together. I appreciate all of the help you've given. So it was really pleasing to work with you.
Excellent. Thank you. Is there anything I could have done better?
I can't think of anything on top of my mind. No, not really. I mean, you could see I was struggling thinking, but great services. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Right.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your services today, or throughout the whole entire transaction?
I would say a 10,
Thank you.
and that's again based on I was thinking through to kind of find out an area where I would say, well, I wish that would have been different. I could have been.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, I appreciate it. It means a lot that you trust me. I don't take that lightly, and I want to thank everybody who's always supported, and you're a huge supporter, and from the bottom of my heart, that means a lot to me.
I appreciate that. I look forward to many more.
Yes, sir. Thank
All
you.
right. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you, and hope everybody's having a great day. January 21st. Let's get them.